guys, so let's talk about our family living assignments for this week. So on the 8th, I'd like you to read pages 1825 through 25, and I'd like you to continue writing in the journal that you started the week before last, and I want you to reflect on how courteous you are, and where are you succeeding, and what are areas you could improve. For the 9th, I'd like you to read pages 26 through 31, and for your journal entry for that day, I'd like you to answer the question, what are ways you can improve your personal safety? Which, of course, that looks like it needs a question mark there, doesn't it? Question mark. Okay. And then on the 10th and the 11th, I broke up the reading, but it's talking about different treatments, like for burns or for CPR and stuff like that. So you're going to be reading pages 31 through 36 on Wednesday, and 36 through 40 on Thursday. And then you have one journal entry for both of those days, and it's describe one kind of treatment you read about, and then I want you to explain why is it important to know that treatment. And then finally, for Friday, I'd like you to read pages 41 through 47, and then answer the question, why is it important to avoid alcohol? Thank you.